Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are interested in reseller content, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can be part of my community. So today I'm going to be doing another What Sold video. Today I'm going to be talking about the week of June 15 to June 30th. So that's what I'm going to be talking to you about. In my last What Sold video, I shared with you how horrible my sales were in May. But June was actually a very good month for me. And I also sold things that have been sitting in my closet for a while. So I'm excited to share that. So for this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what sold for me on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. So why don't we go ahead and get started. So the first thing that sold for me was these Merrell women's sneakers, and I originally had them listed for about $32. I was running a 10% sale. However, a buyer sent me an offer for $20. I went ahead and accepted since my cost of goods was low actually for these. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, I do want to mention that I did charge the buyer for shipping. So my profit for this item was $9.04. All right, so the next item was also an item that sold on eBay. It was this Pro X Olay anti-aging brush system, cleansing system. So this item was running for, I did have this item, I was running a 10% sale for this item, and so the cost was $9.97, but someone sent me an offer for $8.97. I did accept their offer, and this was free shipping. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $2.18. I almost doubled my money, but not quite. I was just barely there. But still, it was still a good sell, I'll say. Okay, so the next item that sold for me was on Mercari. Was this book that I just happened to find in the neighborhood. I was honestly just looking for garage sales and yard sales, and I just happened to run to like a little book booth, and I picked this up. I originally had it, I believe, for like $15. Someone on Mercari sent me an offer for $9. Total cost of goods was $0. So I did accept the $9 offer. So after total cost of goods and shipping, my total profit for this item was $4.09. Okay guys, so the next item that sold for me was this item on eBay. I had these listed for a very long time, probably since February or March, so a long time. So I did had them originally listed on eBay for $21.99. I was running a 10% off with that. Someone sent me an offer for $16. I've been having these for a while, as I mentioned earlier. I quickly checked comps. It was a very reasonable offer from the buyer, so I did accept the offer. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $5.34. Not bad. I think I doubled my money on this, so pretty good. So the next item that sold for me was another item this was another Mercari item. It was a sunscreen, this Australian Gold Botanical sunscreen. I had it listed for $16. Somebody actually purchased it for the full price. I love that everyone knows that. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and Mercari fees, my profit for this item was $6.07. Not bad. It was actually a pretty good return on this one. Surprisingly, the very next day, somebody purchased another sunscreen. This one was on eBay. I had it listed for $11.10, and I was running a 5% sale, which brought it down to $10.54. Someone bought it, and so after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $2.97. So I did double my money for this item, which again, it was very good. let's move on. I'm trying to go through this pretty quickly. All right, so we're gonna get to the good stuff here soon, because everyone knows that I had recently purchased a JOMAR wholesale box, shoe box. I already made my money back from purchasing that box, so I'm very excited. It only took, I'll say three or four shoes. I want to say once someone purchased the fourth, I was like above my profit. You know, it was like it paid for it. I just needed like $7 with the fourth purchase. So basically with 3.5 shoes, I made my profit back. So excellent. So the first pair of shoes that sold were these Fila Disruptor sneakers. They sold on Poshmark. Someone sent me an offer for $20, and that's not too bad. I feel like I kept getting 15, 17 offers. So I accepted whoever sent me a $20 offer. So after total cost of goods, and I did provide a small discount on shipping, so, and then Poshmark fees, my total profit for that item was $8.92. So I actually did double my money for that item. So let's move on. So the next thing that sold for me was another item on Poshmark, and it was these Cornetti gold beige sandals. Everyone knows to have, if you haven't had a chance, make sure that you watch my unboxing for this box, which it was just only 3 pairs. But I finally sold one, guys, because I felt like it took forever, and I was like, okay, these are not gonna sell as good as I thought. But actually someone purchased them for $80. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and Poshmark fees, hold on, I'll take that back. The buyer actually paid for shipping. I provided a discount. So after total cost of goods and Poshmark fees, my profit was $26.61, which was a pretty good return, but not as good as I thought. Okay guys, so the next item that sold for me was on eBay. It was this men's body wash, this Duke Naval Fake Liquid Shower Wash or whatever. I originally had it listed for like $10.98, and then someone sent me an offer for $8.43. Now the reason that I did accept that offer was because I was having the buyer pay partial for shipping. So I was basically splitting the shipping with the buyer. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my profit for that item was $2.26. Wait a minute, $2.46. So I did double my money for this item, as low as it was. So, I mean, they are kind of low, but originally when I had it listed for like $15, if the buyer would have purchased it for that item and I had to pay for, you know, the shipping and all that stuff, I was probably going to make a few cents or change. But I just decided to have the buyer partially pay for shipping. So after using sales CAC, I was able to verify that I was not going to go into the red once I sell this item. So that's why I did accept that $8.43, because I was still in the green when I did my checkup. So $2.46 may not be a lot, but it was actually a good return. So next is another item that sold on Poshmark. Poshmark had really good sales on Poshmark. They were actually pretty good sales. So I sold these Nike's women's Super Rep sneakers in like a neon color. They sold for $64. I think I had them listed for like $80 or $90, but a buyer sent me an offer for $64, which was a great offer compared to a lot of other offers that I was getting. So after total cost of goods, I did provide, I think that you know what, actually the buyer actually paid for shipping. I did not provide a discount because the buyer just snatched them up. So after total cost of goods and Poshmark fees, my profit for this item was $46.58, which was honestly the best return thus far. All right, I said my pencil went flying. I think I said that in like my last sold video that, oh, this is probably gonna be the best sale of the month. But you know what? I think that this was actually the best. So I think so. I can't remember what was my profit for the other Nike shoes that I sold. I can't remember, but anyways, this was also a great return. All right, so let's move on. The next thing that sold for me was this health and beauty item, was this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Moisturizing Day Cream. And somebody purchased it for the full price. I was running a 8% sale. So the buyer paid $13.39. I did offer free shipping for this item. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $5.44. So I did triple my money for this one, which was excellent. All right. Whew. So the next three, I feel like they were all baby stuff. But anyways, people were just buying a bunch of baby stuff for me on eBay. So let's go get right into it. All right, so someone bought this 6 lots of Betsy Johnson for 6 and 9 months. Someone sent me an offer for $12. I was having the buyer pay some of the shipping costs. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $6.16. Not bad. Cost of goods for this item was completely zero. I think I included it when I was saying total cost of goods, eBay, and shipping. No, this was actually zero cost of goods because this is something that belonged to my daughter that does no longer fit her. So cost of goods was zero. So $6.16 can buy me 2 lattes at Starbucks. So it was pure profit. The next item that sold for me was also on eBay, and it was this Bonnie Baby Girls 2-piece floral dress set. And I believe I had it listed for like $18.99. There was an interested watcher. I sent them an offer for $14 and with free shipping. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my profit for this item was $8.26, which is another item. I keep saying total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees. Total cost of goods for this item was zero. It's another item that belonged to my daughter that she can no longer fit because she's 11 months now. I think that this was for, I can't remember, $8.26 was actually a pretty good return. And then I have another lot. I was also selling this item on eBay for $14.70. I believe I was running a 5% discount. I did have a buyer sent me an offer for $11, and I could have made more on this item because notice it contained 8 bodysuits or onesies, and I accept $11. They were partially paying for shipping, so they were paying $3.97 on shipping. I did not pay attention, but I thought that I had these for first class. So if I would have shipped on first class, it would only come out for my pocket maybe $1 or so on shipping. But I noticed that on the description, I had it listed as will ship priority. So I did not want to have item not as described, or the buyer said that she was gonna ship it priority, but she sent it first class. So in order to avoid all of that, I just wanted to go with what was on my description. A lot of times when you're creating a listing on eBay, a lot of times the title copies into description, and not a lot of times also the type of shipping method that it would, the type of shipping method, which it could be first class or priority. This was a first class item. However, because on my description, it was automatically there from eBay saying that this item was shipped priority. So I gave the buyer a priority shipping. So to avoid all of the mess that could have come from that. So after total cost of goods, shipping, because even though the buyer did pay for shipping, I still also paid some of the shipping as well because it was priority. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $5.27. So I still made a return, but I feel like I could have made a little more because it was a lot of 8. But again, you know, someone needs baby clothes. I'm really not gonna get mad at that because, you know, a lot of people can find baby clothes fairly priced at TJ Maxx and Ross and stuff like that. So I just didn't feel that it would be reasonable to price these for like 30-20 bucks, you know, if they can find them cheaper somewhere else. But the fact that someone purchased them online for convenience, I do appreciate that. The last thing that sold for me was on Poshmark was these Everlane black Croc loafer slip-on shoes. And honestly, Everlane, I did not realize, but Everlane is such a great brand to sell. And I didn't realize that. Honestly, ever since I purchased that box of JOMAR Wholesale shoe lot, I actually started to learn about other brands that I was not very familiar with. So Everlane was one of them. And Everlane, this item got quite some attention. It got actually a lot of attention. There was a lot of watchers. I originally had it listed for $50. I did send a buyer an offer or an interested liker. I did send them an offer for $35. With discounted shipping. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and Poshmark fees, my total profit for this item was $20.92. So guys, I had a very good month of June. Like, very good. I'm actually very excited that my profit for this month was actually so much better than May was. Okay, so now to kind of recap for the month of June, these are my totals. So for eBay, I had a total profit of $144.83. For Poshmark, I had a total of $126.58. And for Mercari, I only had a total profit of $12.79. That brings my total for all platforms $284.20. So I was almost just there to reaching $300. So that is such a drastic change compared to May. So June was an excellent month for me, guys. So let me know in the description below or in the comments below if May was slow for you or if I was just the only one that had this. There are some things that I did do differently in the month of June that potentially boost my sales. I'm going to be making a video about it. And also, spoiler alert, I did order another box from JOMAR Wholesale. So I am going to be doing another unboxing here coming soon. So make sure that you subscribe or ring the notification bell if you have not done so, that you can be notified when I post this new videos and you don't miss that information. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up if you like this video or videos like this so that I can continue making them for you. I hope that you guys have a great sale week. July is coming. We have a new month, so let's all hope for the best so that everyone has amazing sales, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.